Hi, welcome to Barrick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today I'm going to walk you around this beautiful 2016 Honda CR-V. Now starting off at the front, I'm going to show you the actual condition and some of the features of the vehicle as well. First thing that stands out to me is that really nice chrome front grille there with the Honda badging in the middle and the piano black surrounds for that grille as well. The paintwork all the way along the side on the front of the vehicle is actually in remarkable condition. There are, however, a couple of marks from stone chips in that black portion of the front grille there, and a couple of other scuffs down on the plastic bumper, but being a plastic bumper, nothing really concerning there. You've got the KLMS front parking sensors and those really nice designed headlights which do blend quite nicely with the front grille there, and you've got the projector beam in there which does give you a very clear cutoff for your headlight. You've also got a daytime running lamp that runs through the headlight there. If we make our way along to the first alloy wheel, a really good condition on that wheel actually. It's once the camera gets to it, it is completely unmarked, and those tires do still have plenty of tread left in them. We've got the color matched side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator is nice and sleek in that side mirror there. Now plastic underside of that side mirror just to prevent any painted surfaces getting scratched by stone chips and any other kind of road damage, but there is one slight scuff on that mirror there. Paintwork all the way along this side, it does present in really good condition. The windows have been tinted as well, so that is going to save you a little bit of money down the track if you wanted to get that done. On the inside here, the seat bolsters do all present really well. The scuff plates all very minimal wear, and even on the door trims where people get lazy and kick their doors open, minimal scuffing there as well. If we keep making our way down, if I'm trying to be once again super picky, a couple of touch-ups here and there, but really nothing too concerning. That next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in those Bristol tires. On the back here, we do get really nice tall sharp taillights which do maximize the space inside the car and give everyone around you really good indication of when you want to brake. On the top here we have got that high mounted stoplight and the rear wiper on the back here as well, and on the rear bar, as you can see, color matched rear parking sensors as well. Opening the tailgate up quickly, something that tells me the previous owners actually looked after their vehicle is we have got this silver guard on the back here which is going to prevent a lot of scratching on that rear bumper. We've also got the cargo liner in the back here to keep your carpet underneath there really tidy, and genuine CR-V mats in the back there as well. Now there is a cargo blind in the back which will give you privacy if you did want to keep anything you're storing in the back nice and private, and it does fold out nice and easy like that. Now the next row of seats, there are a handle on either side, and it does actually let you fold the seats completely flat, so really good feature by Honda there. Closing that back up, and we'll keep making our way along this side of the vehicle now. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. That next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked, and the paintwork along this side is actually in remarkable condition. It is a bit dusty from the recent rain, but yeah, paintwork does present really well on the side. Next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked. As I said, being a 2015 model, a couple of stone chips here and there, but nothing too concerning. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright, take a look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. Power output from the engine is 140 kilowatts with 222 newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 58 litres of 91 fuel, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 8.7 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 667 kilometers from a full tank. Alright, taking a look inside this CR-V now, just on the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. Now front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking buttons and the lock for your windows as well. Just above that again is a toggle for your mirrors, as well as a button that lets you actually fold them in. On the right hand stalk we've got our indicators and headlights, and on the left hand stalk all your washers and wipers. On the steering wheel itself, all your cruise control settings are on the right and all your media settings are on the left, as well as your hands-free call functions just below the steering wheel on the left hand side. Now there is a couple of little buttons on the bottom right of the steering wheel which lets you switch through the display in the middle of the cluster. If we make our way into the center screen now, I'm just going to put the car into reverse quickly to show you do get a nice rear view camera there, so you can see the rear bumper and it does pop up in that middle screen there. and it makes backing this car up really easy. Hard buttons for all your radio controls are just there, so AM and FM radio. You've also got CD, AUX, USB, and Bluetooth hands-free as well. Just down here you've got your air conditioning controls, your shifter, which if you bring it down into drive and then down one more, you can put it in sports shift and use the paddles behind the steering wheel to switch through your gears manually. Just down here, 12-volt socket and covered cup holders, so you get 3 in this car, so plenty of cups there if either you or your passenger wanted an extra cup. You've got a bit of storage here if you wanted to maybe lie your phone sideways, and that center console, when you open it up, there is a 12-volt socket and a USB input in there as well. Now behind the center console, your air conditioning vents, and I'm just going to get the camera to pan around the interior very quickly just to show you the actual condition, because this car has actually been looked after really well. Now just one more thing, if we quickly pan into the middle and up to the roof, you get a sunglass holder in here, so you can either store your sunnies in here, or if you've got a baby seat or a child seat in the back, you can just lock it in place with that rear mirror there to see what's going on in the back seat. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful CR-V. A couple of things I would recommend is please ask us about the glass coat, because that will give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork and protect you against a variety of environmental damages. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan, because that will give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist and much more. So please do ask us about it and we'd go through the full inclusions for you. Now, if you are using our in-house finance, although these things are additional costs, Julie or Mario would love to tailor a finance package to suit your needs, which will work all of that in there for you as well. Now, if you have any questions, the number is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.